Hi everyone, today's video will be a quick one. I'll be painting a 3D printed model of Rogue from the X-Men universe. For this project, her suit will be black. I started with a black primer, but decided to add a coat of matte black for a smoother finish. I'm also using the same color for the base. Next, it's time to add some color to her outfit. For the green parts of her clothing, I'm starting with a base layer of jade green and then layering it with emerald forest for a richer tone. Now let's move on to her hair. I'm painting most of it brown, but of course, Rogue's signature white streak at the top of her head is a must. But her skin, I ran into a bit of trouble while mixing the airbrush color, but I managed to fix it with a second layer. After that, I added details to her face, painting her lips, teeth, and eyes. Finally, I finished the base using a mix of Elfgin tone and a touch of gold to add some extra flair. Neither the base nor the rest of the skin tone body would be an ideal match for the work that Richard was doing. And here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed watching this process. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more painting videos.